Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyisa Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Facebook page and make it ready to start selling products. So what you got to do is go to the page, the Facebook page that we created in our last video. And the first thing that you want to do is you just want to follow the prompt. So you want to create a cover image for your Facebook page. You can create and design a cover page on Canva. If you've already created the one, you can just upload your photo. It's very important to be as credible and have as much social proof as possible online. So really put in some effort in terms of your cover images and your profile photo, because you don't want to seem like you want to seem professional. You want to seem that if someone buys from you, they are gonna receive their product. You wanna come off as a professional store and not leave people thinking that you're gonna scam them. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna remove the default picture here, and we should be able to upload. Again, you can use Canva to create your logo. You can just upload it here. Then you can add your call to action button. You probably want to have shop now. So you can just scroll through and you pick your call to action. So you can say shop on website. Then you're just gonna send them directly to your product page or to your home page. But I suggest you take them directly to your product page. You just get the URL of the page you want to direct that button towards. Or you just type it in here. If you want to add another button, so you can just say contact us. Maybe send them to the contact page that time. If you have your Instagram account, you can just manage them through the business suite, but also I'll explain what the meta business suite is in the later videos. And what we want to do is essentially just complete all these steps here. Just ensure that when we promote that Facebook or Meta knows that we're a credible brand, and ensure that we can get traffic coming to our Facebook page. If you got a location, you can add your business hours here. You can add, but since you're an online store, you don't have to add anything. You can add the phone number, and you can link your WhatsApp if you want to. Let's add some business hours. So you can just click always open. Then you can add all your friends here, let them know about your business, invite to know, and you can create a welcome post. Your, your posts, you can just use some copy, or you can use an AI like Open Chat GPT just to generate this copy. What you do is you just post, just so your personal, just to show you what this tab does. So you just say start shop setup. So we've already synced our shop on on our platform, on our dashboard on WordPress. But I'm just going to toggle through this just to show you the interface and experience. As you can see, in our Facebook setup plugin, this is all the information that's got from us. So we are actually fine. Um, Now I'm back on the home page, and I just want to show you how the page should look like. See, this is how it shows up in the user. I'm just gonna like this page, and then you just click in. So that's the post and caption we created earlier on. And yeah, this is the page. Same home page, I guess, but